Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you enable your notification for Trust Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to enable notifications, you just simply have to open your Trust Wallet application, and after that just simply unlock the application by putting your biometrics. And now, after doing this much, you will get to see this gear button into the top left corner. Tap to that option and then you will get to see this notifications option directly. Select notification option into here, and after that you will get the option of allow push notifications. Just simply enable this toggle besides allow push notifications, and after doing that the notification for your Trust Wallet will successfully be enabled. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.